Welcome. In this video we are going to be discussing how to expand a product of two expressions. So we're going to start with a single expression, then one with an addition or subtraction. But before that, we need to remind ourselves multiplying negative and positive numbers or expressions. For example, if I have negative 3x times 5x, my answer, I need to recall, first I'll multiply out the numbers, but remembering that a negative times a positive is a negative. So I have negative 15, then x times x is an x squared. On the other hand, if I had negative 3x and negative 5x, negative 3 times negative 5 is a positive. So for a positive, we may not necessarily write the plus, because if there is no sign in front of a number, it is a positive. So negative 3 and negative 5 is positive 15 and x squared. If I had 3x and negative 5x, I would get the same thing as the first one, because 3 times negative 5 is negative 15 and x times x is x squared. This is important because we are going to meet it a lot. For example, we have a question that requires us to expand these brackets. Part A. So when expanding a bracket, we need to remember that whatever is outside the bracket will multiply all the terms inside the brackets. Drawing arrows so that you don't leave out any term can be helpful. So I know that I'll have to multiply x and all the terms inside the bracket. So I have x times 5x. That's going to give me a 5x squared. And then x times 4, it's a positive, so I'll have a 4x. Okay. Part B, similarly, it happens to be a minus 3x into x minus 7. So still, whatever is outside the bracket is going to multiply what is inside of the bracket. So I have negative 3x times x. Now when I have x only, means that there is a 1 before it. So I have negative 3 times 1. That gives me a negative 3x squared. Then I have a negative 3x times 7. So I have a negative 3 times negative 7, which is a positive. That's why I'm writing a plus. 21x. So what do we need to remember? Whatever is outside the bracket multiplies what's inside the bracket.